Hey second grade, this is Miss Hall and I'm going to go over your task for social studies day 13. So today we discussed the difference between wants and needs. A want is something that you would like to have, but you don't necessarily need it to survive. There's a difference between wants and needs because a need is something you need to survive. So I hope you've already explored your house and noticed some new items or some items that you might need to survive or some items that you might not need. I've got a few things in my mind that I want to write about. So I have a fluffy pillow in my bedroom and I'm trying to figure out if I want or need my fluffy pillow. I know I can still sleep without it, and I know I'm still going to be healthy if I don't have it. So that is a want. So I'm going to write fluffy finger space pillow. Something else that I have in my house is chalk. And I'm thinking that I'll still be healthy and I'll still be okay if I don't have my chalk to write on the sidewalk. So this is also a want. Chalk, just like talk and walk. I also have lots of water bottles in my house and gallons of water in case we don't have running water anymore. And so that is something I need to survive because I cannot be clean and I cannot be hydrated if I don't have water. So I'm going to write down water underneath the needs column. I also have a hat in my room that I'm thinking of. It is a bright green hat and it says "Go Carolina Panthers" on it. So I know I'll still be okay if I don't have my hat. So that is a want. Hat, like cat and mat. I also have medicine in my house, and that is a need. Medicine is important to stay healthy for many people, so it's very much a need, not a want. I have a jacket in my house. Now this one's tricky because if I didn't have my jacket on a warm day, I would be okay. But if I didn't have my jacket on a really, really cold day, I would not be okay. So my jacket is a need. Now remember, you only really need one or two jackets. So if you have a bunch of jackets that don't really keep you warm and just have like silly pictures on them, that would be more of a want. But if the jacket keeps you warm when it's really cold outside, that's a need. I also have a chair in my bedroom. And I don't really sit in the chair very much, and it just holds my clothes sometimes. So that is a want. I don't need that chair to survive and stay healthy. Okay. Up next, I have a fork in my kitchen. Now, I can still pick up my pasta with my hands, so I don't need it to survive, but I do really want to use a fork. So a fork is a want. We have two more. So my last two items are both needs. Now, we've already talked about pasta, and pasta is what? It's food, correct. So food is a need. And then I want you guys to think, when it's really cold and snowy and windy outside, we're in our houses so we don't feel anything. We don't feel the wind, and a lot of times we don't feel the cold so much. So the walls and your roof of your house will keep you warm. So those are needs. So walls and roof. This goes with the idea of shelter. So this is our shelter. When we have walls and a roof, that keeps us safe from outdoors, from things that are happening outside. So let's go over our list of wants and needs again. And I hope that when you guys are working on this at home that you can send me a picture of your wants and needs. So on my list I have, for my wants, a fluffy pillow, chalk, a hat, chair, and a fork. And then on the needs side I have water, medicine, jacket, food, and walls and roof, which go with the idea of shelter. So make sure that you guys have a lot of fun doing this activity. I'm looking forward to seeing lots of interesting answers, and I cannot wait to see what you've written. I'll talk to you guys soon.